So do you also wish to generate internship job descriptions automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to generate internship job descriptions using AI agent. So as an HR manager, my objective is that when I'm going to add a new internship detail in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the job description, and after generating the description, automatically that should be added in my Google Docs as a new document. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Sheets with OpenAI and Google Docs using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate internship job descriptions using AI agents. It's a quick and easy way to save time and create professional listings for roles like marketing, design or development. Alright, so as you all know that as someone who regularly hires interns, I often need to create job descriptions for different roles like marketing, design or development. So writing these descriptions from scratch every time takes a lot of effort and can be repetitive. So by using an AI agent to generate internship job descriptions, I can save time and make the process much easier. I just need to provide a few details about the role and the AI gives me a complete well-written job description in seconds. So this helps me post openings faster and attract the right candidates without spending hours writing content. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the spreadsheet that I've already created with the name internship. And here you can see the fields that I've taken such as the role title, department, responsibilities, skills, location and the stipend. Alright, so now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to add the detail over here in this Google Sheet, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the job description, and after generating the job description, automatically that description should be created as a new doc in my Google Docs account like this. Alright, so now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Google Sheets with my OpenAI account and Google Docs using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. Alright, so for that I'm going to add a new detail over here. So let me add the details. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added the details over here such as the role title, department, responsibilities, skills, location and the stipend. And now here as soon as I've added detail over here, automatically OpenAI is going to generate the job description for this role. Alright, so now let's go and check our Google Docs directly. Alright, so here you can see we have successfully created a doc over here with the name marketing intern, and here you can see the entire job description generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire automation by simply connecting your Google Sheets with your OpenAI account in Google Docs using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as generate internship job description using AI agent. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folders section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now moving back to my Pabbly dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets, as I am adding new internship opportunities detail in my Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, so that whenever I'm going to add a new detail in my Google Sheet, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Google Sheets account. So this is the Google Sheet that I've already created with the name internship. And here you can see the fields that I've already entered over here. Alright, so now here before moving forward with the connection, I'm going to add new details over here in this Google Sheet. Alright, so here I'm going to add the details. Alright, so here you can see I have successfully added the details over here, and now here I'm going to move forward with the connection. So here to build this connection, you need to install an add-on in your Google Sheets account to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select add-ons. Now here under this add-on you need to select get add-ons. And then here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for an add-on that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this add-on in your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. So moving back, and once you're going to install this add-on, you have to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now moving back, and now after installing this add-on, you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so now after refreshing the Google Sheet, you need to click on this extensions, and then you will be able to see your option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks over here. So from here you need to select initial setup. And now here under this initial setup, you can see it is asking me for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here for the webhook URL, I am going to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here after entering the webhook URL, it is asking me for the trigger column. So it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Alright, so here you can see my last data column is column F over here in this Google Sheet. So I am going to enter my trigger column as column F. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets, and we have connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now after building this connection, we are going to test this connection by clicking on the send test button given over here. And here you can see it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent this first row data of our Google Sheet to this webhook URL, or you can see to Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so now let's go and check it. But here before moving back to Pabbly's workflow, you need to perform another very important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and then you need to turn on this send on event. So by turning it on, automatically whenever you're going to add a new detail in your Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Alright, so we have successfully turned it on, so let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a tick in front of the send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the trigger columns, type in spreadsheet name, ID, skill, sheet name, sheet ID, role title, responsibilities, location and the department. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new response to our Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, I want OpenAI to generate the internship job descriptions. So for that I need to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate the internship job description. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given over here in the left side bar. And here in the API keys, you can see some existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key button given over here. And then I'm going to give a name to my key such as job description. And then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to click on this create secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and now here it is asking me to select the AI model. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the existing models over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my model as GPT-4. You can select the model as per your need. And then here it is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate the internship job descriptions for my profiles. Alright, so here I'm going to add the relevant prompt. Alright, so here I've successfully added a relevant prompt over here where I've added some instructions for the AI and the details as role title, department, key responsibilities, required skills, location and the stipend. Alright, so now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new details through our Google Sheets, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the role title, I'm going to map the role title. Here I'm going to map the department. Here I'm going to map the key responsibilities. Here I'm going to map the required skills. And then here I'm going to map the location. And lastly, here I'm going to map the stipend. And with this, we have successfully completed our prompt over here. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send this request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the message content generated. That means the entire job description generated for our internship opening. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the job description, I want to add the job description generated in my Google Docs. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Docs. So Google Docs is an online word processor that lets you create, edit and share documents from any device with internet access. So in my Google Docs action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a blank document, because firstly I need to create a blank document to save that particular job description in this particular document. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Docs with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Docs account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now moving forward, and then here is asking me for the document name. So here I need to enter the name that I want to give to my document. So here for the document name, I'm going to map the job title as the document name. And now here after entering the document name, I'm going to click on the save and send this request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a blank document in our Google Docs. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully created a blank document over here with the name as content intern. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. Alright, so now after creating a blank document, I'm going to add the job description generated by OpenAI in this particular blank document. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action application again as Google Docs. And this time I'm going to select my action event as append a paragraph to a document. So by using this particular action event, I'm going to add the job description generated by OpenAI in this particular document that we just right now created. Alright, so now again to build this connection, I'm going to click on this connect, and this time to build this connection, I'm going to click on the select existing connection because I've already connected my Google Docs account with Pabbly Connect in my previous action step. Alright, so now after selecting the existing connection, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the document. So instead of selecting the document name from from this drop down menu, I'm going to map this document name over here. So for that, I'm going to turn on this map button, and then I'm going to remove this document ID from here. And now here I'm going to map the document ID from the response that I've received in my previous Google Docs action step. Alright, so this is the document ID. And now after entering the document ID, it is asking me to enter the inserted text. So in this particular field, I need to enter the text that I want to add in this particular document. So I'm going to map the message content generated by OpenAI. That means the job description generated by OpenAI over here. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the data in this particular document. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully added the job description generated by OpenAI in this particular document named as content intern. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up an entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Google Sheets and an action as OpenAI and Google Docs twice. So that whenever we're going to add a new detail over here in a Google Sheet about the new opening, then automatically OpenAI is going to use the details and generate the job description for that internship. And after generating the job description, automatically it is going to create a blank document in our Google Docs account first, and after creating a blank document, automatically the job description generated by OpenAI is going to be added in that particular document. Alright, so these were the steps to how to generate internship job descriptions using AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.